Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to log in into your Chase bank account. Okay, so first of all you need to open this official website chase.com, and once we are on the official website you will see this kind of options, and there is a welcome note like this. Enter your username, enter your password, and you can sign into your account by using this way. Okay, now if you have any other questions you can make a comment, or if you are facing any issue, if you are not able to log in into your account, you can choose this option like forget username and password, and once you click on this screen it will pop up a new screen. On this screen you need to enter your social security number or tax number, enter your card, account or application number, and then you can click on next, and by you can like following these methods you can recover your account very easily. Okay, so this is the method. Now if you have any other questions you can make a comment. So bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.